The 1965 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham stands as a true embodiment of mid-century American luxury, offering an unparalleled blend of elegance, prestige, and cutting-edge technology for its time. This full-size luxury sedan was crafted with remarkable attention to detail, ensuring that every journey felt like an occasion. Under the hood, the 1965 Fleetwood Brougham housed a formidable 7.0-liter V8 engine capable of producing 340 horsepower and 485 pounds-ft of torque, ensuring smooth and effortless acceleration. Power was delivered through a 3-speed turbo-hydramatic automatic transmission, offering a seamless driving experience that defined Cadillac's reputation for comfort and refinement. The suspension system featured a ride-enhancing setup designed to glide over any road imperfections with ease, providing a serene and luxurious ride. The car's rear-wheel drive layout allowed for a balanced and controlled driving feel, making it an exceptional choice for those who valued both performance and sophistication. With its unmistakable presence, the Fleetwood Brougham featured a long, sleek body adorned with signature chrome accents, refined styling cues, and an extended rear quarter panel that added to its stately demeanor. The bold front grille, dual-stacked headlights, and distinct Cadillac crest further accentuated its regal stance, making it a commanding figure on the road. The interior also featured additional soundproofing measures, ensuring a whisper-quiet ride that further emphasized the car's high-end nature. Cadillac also introduced an available rear seat footrest and writing table, adding to the sense of exclusivity for passengers. Safety and convenience were also key priorities for Cadillac in 1965, with the Fleetwood Brougham offering advanced features that set a new standard in the industry. Power-assisted brakes and variable ratio power steering made maneuvering the large sedan surprisingly effortless. A padded dashboard and seat belts were incorporated to enhance passenger safety, demonstrating Cadillac's forward-thinking approach. With a base price of around $6,479 in 1965, the Fleetwood Brougham positioned itself as one of the most prestigious luxury sedans of its time. Today, well-preserved models can fetch significantly higher values, especially those in pristine condition with original components. Collectors and enthusiasts continue to admire this Cadillac for its timeless elegance, unmatched comfort, and groundbreaking innovations that helped define the golden era of American luxury automobiles. To experience more classic car reviews, in-depth comparisons, and exclusive insights into automotive history, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Join the community of enthusiasts who appreciate legendary vehicles and never miss out on captivating content about the most iconic automobiles ever created.